Hey guys, it is Dr. Neva. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about networking events. Now, in the small business community, it is promoted that you need to get your business out there. You have to go to networking events. You have to attend networking events. And although I am a promoter of networking events, I also have pros and cons, and I want to discuss them with you. Now, the first thing I want to say is that in answering the question, should I attend networking events? It really depends on your type of business. Now, hear me out. I've attended network events where pretty much you see the same people over and over again. And they are small business owners, just like yourself, and they're pushing their service or product, and you're not getting any business from them. Now, as a small business owner, or any business owner, you have to be strategic. You have to find out if that networking group is working for you. And if not, find the group that is working for you. Here's the other side to it. I've met business individuals who don't network at all. In the sense, now let me clarify that. They network by meeting people, but they don't network by going to networking organizations. They might attend an event or two, give out business cards, certain kind of events. Maybe it's a political gathering. Maybe it's, a PTA meeting, stuff like that, and they talk. But as far as a small business networking group, they've never attended, and they're successful at developing, branding, promoting their business. And then you find others that attend networking events and it's not working for them. Now, here's the other side. People say, well, as a networking, when you're networking, you have to pretty much, there's a whole process to it. You have to really work the system. I hear you guys. And I'm not trying to dim your light. But again, if you want to be successful at promoting your business, you really have to see what works for you. You can't be everywhere every single time. I remember having a conversation with one of my mentees, and I told her, listen, you've been attending a particular networking group for some time now. How have you benefited from this group? Are you getting any business? Did you sell any of your products? And her answer was no. My response to her is, okay, I'm not saying for you to stop totally from attending, but you really need to look at your plan and realign it, refocus for you to move forward. Now, for those that know me and really know that I had a networking group in the past, Caribbean Business Network, that I ran out of Queens, New York for some time, you'll say, well, you had a networking organization. Yes, I did. And yes, I still attend networking organizations, but I'm not going to make the organization work me. Okay, so guys, do what you have to do as far as really putting your business out there, but be smart about it. Work the network. Don't let the network work you. Until another time, I'm Dr. Neva. Bye-bye.